Welcome to Quick Hub. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create and schedule a broadcast using your CRM contacts. Start by opening Quick Hub, then click on CRM from the main menu. Next, select Contacts to view your contact list. Choose the contacts you want to include in your broadcast. Once your contacts are selected, click Create Broadcast. Enter your campaign name. This helps you easily identify your broadcast later. Now click on Choose Template and select the one that best fits your message. Click Next to move forward. On the next screen, review the template variables. If everything looks good, click Next again to continue. Then, in the Select Contact section, click Next once more. You can skip the test step by clicking Skip under Test Campaign. Now, in the Campaign Details section, click Schedule. Select the date and time you'd like your broadcast to go live. Then click Schedule to confirm. Once scheduled, click Back to Home and head back to your contacts to verify your broadcast and check the linked contact details. And that's it. You've successfully created and scheduled a broadcast in Quick Hub. Stay tuned for more step-by-step tutorials to help you get the most out of Quick Hub.